In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert text to table in Microsoft Word. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you have organized text in Microsoft Word, for example, I have here this text for countries and their capital cities. For you to be able to do this, you need to have the text either separated by commas or even tab. For my case, I'll have two rows, with one indicating the country and the other one indicating the capital city for that particular country. To convert this information into a table, just go ahead and highlight the information and then go ahead and click on insert. From here, choose table and then choose this option, convert text to table. If I click on this, now you can see here we have an option to choose the number of columns. So automatically this will be 2. Go ahead and click on OK, and you can see we have the text converted to table, and as you can see the commas have been removed. This is a very organized table with the name of country, and corresponding to it is the name of the capital city for the whole data. So that's how you can convert text into a table in Microsoft Word. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.